Hello, Dr. Scott Goldsmith here. We're with Tracy, who is 3 weeks out from her Jiffy Knee replacement. Tracy had significant pain and discomfort before surgery, especially with like stair climbing and going up and down inclines. She had very bad kneecap arthritis. So here we are, about 3 weeks out. And how are you feeling?
Great. It's much better.
And you stopped using the cane or walker, I see. How long did you actually use that for?
Oh gosh, just a few days, and I would use the walker just when I first stood up, pick a couple steps, and then I was fine.
And then you mentioned now, even for the last few weeks, you're really just some Advil or ibuprofen, the occasional Tylenol. Is that what you had mentioned to me?
Yes, that's it. For the last 2 weeks, probably.
And prior to surgery, were you needing more pain medication?
Yes, absolutely. And I also couldn't drive. There was like a pins and needles burning in my knee, and I couldn't drive at all.
So here we are, just a couple weeks out, you're already back to driving?
Yes.
You like that?
Yeah, absolutely. I love being able to go where I want.
The independence.
Yep.
The independence, great. Well, let's show off a little bit. Let's make that knee nice and straight for us.
Okay.
Fantastic. Excellent. And bend it for us. Very nice. Excellent. Well, we are very happy you're off to an excellent recovery. Keep working hard with the therapy. We look forward to seeing you back in a few months to see how much better you are.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Another happy patient.